Good morning and happy Thanksgiving. I am getting started on Thanksgiving in the rig, and I have cleared off my space. I'm going to start with the peanut soup. Peanut soup was something my mother always made, and it's kind of like a Williamsburg, Virginia specialty. I'm sure they make it in other places, but you can find it at a lot of different restaurants and stuff in Colonial Williamsburg. And so it's like a creamy peanut butter soup that's really savory. So we always have it for Thanksgiving. All of the children are out fishing with the dads. We have 3 families here in Fiesta Key, Florida. It's an encore park, and we got to all park next to each other, which has been nice because between us we have 10 kids, and so they have been having a blast. But they're all fishing right now with the dads, and the moms are starting Thanksgiving. So here we go. I don't know that I did an intro. This is Erin from 5 to Go. And we're doing Thanksgiving in the RV. Alrighty, I have onions chopped, onions and celery chopped over here. We're kind of doing a mirepoix, but without carrots. So those of you who have cooked with us before in this new rig, we use an induction cooktop just because we can move it inside and outside, and this will be helpful today because I want to keep the soup warm while we're eating outside. And so just started the soup in here. I wish you guys could smell this. Butter, celery, and onions. Smells delicious. As you remember, we do not have a normal oven in this rig. We have a convection oven, and it cooks everything. So I'll be doing all of the stuff that needs to be ovened in the convection. And I am not in charge of turkey or ham or anything like that, so the other families are doing some of the big stuff. I have all sides and desserts. So, not all the sides and desserts, but all the things I'm making just happen to be sides and desserts. All of the hot stuff that goes in the soup before we do like the peanut butter and the cream just came out, and I got to get all of the celery and onions out of here. So it's really important that you have a lot of multi-use tools and things in your kitchen arsenal. These bowls, we have, what, 6 of them? 5 or 6 of them in different colors?
I'm not sure.
It's one of those, they're just melamine bowls. They can't go in the oven.
2, 3, 4,
they can't go in
5.
the microwave or anything.
Yeah, there's 6.
But they're all
Right?
different
6.
sizes.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I don't know why I can't count. Is that the biggest one?
This is the biggest one.
Okay, yeah.
But
6.
we use these bowls for everything. We use them for making salad. We use them for making popcorn. We use them for mixing things. We use them
As
catching the
candy bowls.
soup. Yeah, we use them as candy bowls when we go trick-or-treating. You know, they serve a lot of purposes. They don't go in the microwave though, so we have other things for that. I'll have Brian put it's a really simple recipe down below if you're interested. But we're going to put this back in without any of the solids in it because this is a creamy soup, not a chunky soup. And I just slowly whisk in 2 cups of peanut butter and 2 cups of half and half. So,
And then, Tara, do you like the peanut soup?
Tara loves peanut soup. It's one of the reasons that I continue to make it, even though Brian and I are the only ones that used to eat it. Tara used to now, and so does Brooke.
The peanut soup is the only thing that one requests for Thanksgiving.
Very true.
What's after the soup?
After the soup, I'm going to make roasted corn, creamed corn that tastes like Thanksgiving.
Alrighty.
Because you put thyme in it.
So we'll be back with either the rest of this or corn stuff.
Yeah.
Alright. And Vector is supervising from the couch. Right, puppy? Talk about my new favorite pan.
Oh, have we not shown this?
We have not.
This is a pan, where do we get this, BJ's?
BJ's, yep.
And it's like, it looks like it's really dirty, but it's not. It's just speckled, and it's kind of hot, so I don't want to touch it.
It has like a stone texture. If you've ever used like
spray paint.
Like a stone spray paint, that's the texture. So as you can hear that, it's kind of gritty and very hot.
Yeah. So, but it cooks really nice. It's non-stick, but you can use it on the
super deep. Look how deep it is.
Yeah, you can use it on the induction, so it's magnetic.
What is it? It's
The Rock.
The Rock. That's not the brand. Starfrit.
It's real fancy
Yeah,
stuff we got
star
going on here.
frit. I'll see if we can find that on
The Rock.
Amazon. I really like it.
And I like the way it looks when you cook because it's white and
Yeah.
you can see all the things.
And it works. It is extremely non-stick.
Yeah.
Like I've done eggs in there, they just come right out. It's great.
And so this will go in the convection when we get closer to dinner time, and you cover it with cheddar cheese.
Yeah.
So it gets a little more savory.
Alrighty.
Yeah, and then you want to show them the soup.
Oh, the soup is done, right? You added
Yeah,
the
soup is
peanut,
done. It's been
peanut
chilling
butter
a bit.
and cream.
Peanut butter and cream.
Yep.
Is it still really hot?
No, it wasn't hot before.
Oh yeah.
It's drinking temperature.
Yeah, it's delicious. If you like peanut butter, try it. If you don't like peanut butter, stay far away.
I still have to make green bean casserole, and I don't make it like it is on the carton. I add a bunch of stuff, and I'll share that with you guys too. Hi! I've done a little bit more cooking since last we talked, and this is ready to go in the oven. This is ready to go in the oven. I make a kind of like a Watergate salad, but it's really not. It just, it's something my grandmother made, and it's cream cheese. You soften it with the pineapple juice. You put a little bit of the crushed pineapple in it. You put red grapes in it, marshmallows, do it all up. And I'm just about to make the whipped cream with the heavy whipping cream. I put my glass bowl in the freezer so it's nice and cold, and I just whip everything up. So, and then I also have, you know, like a Stouffer's mac and cheese for the kids who don't eat all of the things I've slaved over all day. So we'll put that in about 45 minutes or so. Put my eyeballs on, so that's fun. I have the cream corn casserole kind of thing, and then the green bean casserole, and I forgot to tell you guys what I put in there that's a little extra. I love mushrooms, and so there are like mushroom pieces and stuff in it. Like you just get a can of the mushroom pieces and just put those in there, and they're delicious. And then I add Worcestershire sauce to the like cream of mushroom mixture just to give it kind of that umami flavor, and it's so delicious. Here comes Brian. You have an update for the peoples?
Well, I'm not standing over there.
That's why I'm not the camera woman.
What are you talking about? Yeah. Did you talk about COVID at all?
I
There have
was
been comments.
just gotten into some of the COVID.
Yeah. So the families that we're camping with, we have been with for the last 3 weeks.
Yeah.
Like we're our own little bubble
Right.
now. Like we were camping next to the McCones over at TTO for 3 weeks. They've been isolated in their own way, so we're all like we're in our own little bubble. Were y'all doing crafts out there?
Mm-hmm.
What were you doing?
Stuff.
Stuff. Looks like you're making turkeys
Did you make a placemat?
and masks. Oh, are you making
Did
placemats?
masks? They were making placemats. I
Oh.
made before placemats.
Okay, and I see the boys have masks on. They look very silly.
Like face masks, not.
Yeah.
I was talking about that one.
Oh, you see how we put the lights up? We hung the lights from one RV over to the other. It's awesome.
Yep, we'll show you tonight when we have the whole spread out.
Yeah, it's like our own little outdoor bistro area.
Complete with checked tablecloths.
Yep.
So
Alrighty, so we're gonna finish cooking everything and then bring it all out.
yeah,
All right.
and then have a smorgasbord.
Okay.
In true 5 to go fashion, we didn't plan well enough to show you before. So I'm going to show you the aftermath of what we had out here, because we had to do it fast. You know, children were hungry, we were hungry, so I'll just show you what's left and what we're going to have for lunch and dinner tomorrow. Beautiful plates, nice spread there. Nothing left of that. We have some stuffing. The mac and cheese is under there, but there's nothing in there. So we have lots of stuff gone. This is the smoked turkey that was delicious. Party 6 made that. There's what the peanut soup turned into. It got a lot of good food gone there. So yeah. And then we had these cool placemats that the kids could do things on while they were sitting here for a moment without food. And then yeah. Party of 6, say hi.
Hello.
Hello. Happy Thanksgiving.
Scouting the Horizon, say hi.
Hello. Happy Thanksgiving.
There we go. And then you know Brian, Tara, all that stuff. So yeah, that's what's left.
And we're time lapsing.
We are time lapsing.
I don't know if you'll see that before this or after this or.
So I'm trying.
It's from this angle. Here, you can see. This is what we time lapsed. We're deciding, or we're going through making sure we know what we have left for dessert.
It'll be
or
dark when dessert
buzzard.
happens.
Buzzard.
So dessert will not be on camera.
It's buzzard.
No?
It'll be dark.
But we have our bistro lights,
Exactly.
mister.
Yeah, LED lights flicker really weird on the GoPros.
Well, then we'll just show down here.
Or we can eat our dessert in peace.
Eat our dessert in peace. You want to see our view from the front? It's kind of pretty. Brian's posted a couple of pictures. If you haven't been on Instagram or anything, go check those out. But, so there's the home bus and our friends scouting the horizon. And then there's the water. It's so pretty. Fancy rig across the road. And there were not this many people here when we got here. Everybody kind of arrived yesterday. So, yeah. It's kind of nice here in the Keys. Alrighty, since this has been an Erin full video, I guess I will end it with myself and nobody else with me. So, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Enjoy your Thanksgiving. I hope it was wonderful. And if you would like to share a comment below about what's something special you do for Thanksgiving, especially this year since we couldn't all be together with our families, let us know what you did. And yeah, we'll see you in the next video. Bye guys.